Hi, today we will discuss about what is meant by wireless sensor network. Nowadays, an effective design of wireless sensor network have become a number one area of research. So this wireless sensor network is a technology that responds and detects some kind of input from both the physical as well as your environment condition. So this wireless sensor network will be a self-organized or self-configured and infrastructureless wireless network which is used to observe your physical or the environment condition. So physical or environment condition can be a pressure or can be a temperature, noise, a sound, vibrate, a pollutant, a motion. All okay. So this all the environment condition or the physical condition will be collected through this sensor, and the sensor will be get integrated with this radio node, and what happened with this help we can able to transmit this information to your user. So to transmit this information we are going to provide a wireless connectivity. So this all the possible wireless connectivity. So one can be a satellite communication or through your GSM or through your RF, that is your radio frequency, or through by Wi-Fi or by Bluetooth or by Zigbee. Then the data will be sent to the either to the data access, can be a mobile or local computing or central computing like your server. Okay, so all those information will be get stored there. So this wireless sensor network is a subset of an IoT. Wireless sensor network is a distributed infrastructureless wireless network. As we know, ad hoc network also is an infrastructureless network, and your sensor network also infrastructureless network. And this wireless sensor network going to contain a set of connected tiny sensor node. So this small box will called as a tiny sensor node, and this sensor node can able to communicate with each other and can able to exchange your information and as well as your data. So here this wireless sensor network, as I told you, this is going to contain hundreds of thousands of sensor nodes. Okay, so this sensor node is used to measure your temperature, pressure, or can be a sound or a vibrate, etc. It can be measure any of your environment conditioner. And for example, we have been choose this is a target node. So this target node going to collect all your environment condition, can be a pressure, temperature, or can be a sound, or can be a vibrate. So this target node going to collect all the information, and this information will be sent to its nearby sensor node, and now this sensor node will be sent through your nearby sensor node. So this are called as intermediate node, and this will be transmitted to its nearby sensor node. Now what happened, this information will be transmitted to the base station. This is called as base station, or will called as sync node. Okay, so once the target node, that is a sensor node collector, the information will be transmitted to your sync node or the base station, where the data can be observed and analyzed. So this sensor node, this sync node or a base station can able to where your data can be observed and analyzed. So this sync or a base station can act as the interface between your user and the wireless sensor network. So your user can retrieve your required information. Okay, now what your user need of those information, so you can able to retrieve those required information from the network by injecting. Okay, we are going to inject queries. By injecting a queries, and we are going to gather the result from the sync node. Okay, so whenever a user need those gathered collected information, going to give a injector queries to your sync node, then we can able to get the collected result from the sync node. And next, the sensor node can communicate among themselves by using your radio signal, and here your wireless sensor network is equipped with sensing and computing device, radio transceiver, and power component. So these are the points we have been discussing now. Next, the principle of wireless sensor network is multi-hopping. topology, and the constrained resources are going to have a limited power, speed, and storage capacity, and there will be a communication bandwidth also a constrained resource, and we have a limited battery power. So these are the constrained resources of your wireless sensor network. Thank you.